This is a review of 4K solar powered wireless security camera. It is P1 Max. It's working with Alexa in Google Home. Let's go ahead and open it and see what we have inside the box. Check this out. I like the design. Year-round unlimited battery life, quick Wi-Fi setup, motion activated spotlight, full color day and night vision, powerful built-in siren, weather-resistant design. It has live wave and video recording, Ultra HD video, real-time notification, two-way talk, and smart motion detection. Let's open it and see what we have inside the box. First thing first, quick start guide. And here is the camera. This is beautiful. And here is the solar panel. When you get this camera for the first time, you need to charge it to 100%. Then it's gonna rely on the solar panel. And we have USB-A to USB-C and screw pack. Here is the sticker and guidance sticker. Here is the area you can turn it on. Let's go ahead and turn on the camera. Left side, power. Right side is reset. And here is the SD card place.
Hello.
And this is USB-C input. Right now it's on. Let's try to add it. When you turn it on, it's just gonna directly find it. And you're just gonna connect it to Wi-Fi.
The camera is connecting to your Wi-Fi network. It may take a moment. Please wait for a while.
It has a strong speaker, by the way.
Save settings successfully.
This is like next generation technology. Automatically it is added to my Alexa. Now connected. Done. There is smart cloud storage. If you wanna try it, you can test it. Over here it's just talking about the features. But right now I'm not gonna use it. And now it's active. Let's see. Let's check the quality. This is 4K quality, by the way. There is AI surveillance detection settings. When you go to AI surveillance, you're just gonna see human detection, intrusion, and there is detection zone, alarm method. There is vehicle detection, parking guard, intrusion prevention at yard wall, lawn surveillance, pet detection. There are so many detection with the help of AI, night vision, video, audio, battery management, Amazon Alexa, Google Home. And you can share the device with your loved ones. I'm just gonna show it to you during daytime and nighttime. I put the camera right here, and here is the area. Let's go ahead and check it out. And now you see it was fast for the connection. That's also waterproof. And here, two-way audio talk. Hello. Yep, it's working. This is full color night vision. Let me go ahead and turn off the lights and see. Now it's completely dark. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the lights and see. Night vision is gonna kick in, and now my camera doesn't see anything, but this can see everything. right there. Even though I'm moving the camera, it's too fast, but still you can see the quality. Let's see during the daytime. Let's go ahead and check this 4K quality, Ultra HD. And look at this quality. It has 4K and this is the best one so far. And you can see right there. ST version. Still it's good. Let's change it to Ultra HD. Let's turn on the light. I like the LED light around the camera and the sensors. It sees better at night. What about the alarm? I like the alarm system also. What about two-way audio talk? Hello? Hello?
Hello? Hello?
And you can even change your voice however you want. And there is text to reply.
Hey, what are you doing here?
And let's go back. You can view the history right there. And you can record the video and take a screenshot. Turn on the lights, tone, talk, alarm, voice alerts. Let's check the settings. AI surveillance. There's human detection, intrusion, vehicle detection, parking guard, intrusion prevention at yard wall, loan surveillance, pet detection. And intrusion, you can choose the area or the intrusion. You can add the region however you like. You see, and save it. If someone is over there, it's gonna tell you. Alarm method. Let's turn it on in white light. Not the alarm sound. Maybe alarm sound. Yes. Let's go ahead and see.
Warning. You have entered a high-definition surveillance area.
Yeah, I like that. And also you can put some custom period. Detection settings. There is cloud service if you want to buy. And it is working with Amazon Alexa and Google Home. The quality is awesome. This is night vision. And this is full color night vision. Calm down. It's me. That's why.
Warning. You have entered a high-definition surveillance area.
I can definitely suggest this product just because this is 4K and built-in solar panel, and it has LED lights around it, and it has a good application. If you have more than one camera, and you can view it on the app right there. You see, you can see all of them. And it is working with Alexa and Google Home.